Hello everyone, welcome to our webinar for the visualizing tool. I am Islam Nasib. I am the technical manager hub for Africa, Middle East, Europe, and UK and Ireland, and the DACH region as well. And we have here my colleague Giovanni. You can present yourself, Giovanni. Go ahead.
Hello everyone. I'm Giovanni. I'm the Global Digital Tools Manager. I'll be helping and Islam on the presentation today and happy to support you during the webinar.
And we have here also my supervisor, the tech manager, Nasser Labiti. You can present yourself, Nasser, as well.
Good morning, everyone. So yes, my name is Nasser Labidi. I am the Technical Advisory Center Manager at Guardian Glass. And yes, the topic of today is really to make a live demonstration of our visualizing tool, especially the Guardian Glass Visualizer, as well as the project locator, to make sure that you guys understand very well how to connect to this tool and how to use it properly, and how all the benefit that it can bring you at the time of selecting the right glazing for your project.
Okay. Let's wait for 2 minutes and then we will start the webinar. Okay, let's start our webinar today. The first tool we presented is the new glass visualizer that we launched in the last year. It's a new advanced visualizer. You are familiar with the visualizing tool that we have in the past. This is more advanced than the old one, where you can see a more color close to the reality. And then how to access to this visualizer, you can from guardianglass.com. In any region you can find the visualizer. We are under Europe region now. If you go to tools and resources, you will find in the tools in the right tab here, glass visualizer, where you can access to the tool, as well as if you have an account in our resource hub with the account email, you can also access to the visualizer from the resource hub. Okay. If you click on the glass visualizer, it will open the glass visualizer. As you can see, it's a comparison tool where you can compare a two product in terms of colors, reflection, and transmission of the color as well as you can check under different sky condition. Also, we have also different spandrel color. You can check the spandrel area. Actually, this building is based in different stories where you can see a spandrel area and vision area as well. This area, it's called spandrel, which is covering the slab, and then the vision area above here, and it's repeated in different floors. And then in the right corner or the right side, you can select one glazing, and you can compare it in the left side with other glazing or the same glazing in different sky condition. Okay, let's start with an example. We have here the region. We are working in different regions, including Europe, North America, Mexico, Latin America, and Africa, Middle East, and APAC and India as well. We will select Europe region, and then we have here the family of the product that we produce in Europe, because we select from the beginning Europe. We have first start with Nexa, which is our low carbon range. Then we have the SunGuard Extra Selective, which is a triple silver product. Then we have SunGuard Super Neutral, which is a double silver coating. And then we have the family for high performance glass, which is a single silver coating. And then we have the high durable, which is non-silver coating, which is mainly used for like spandrel application or partition or double skin facade as well. as well as the SunGuard Solar, and we have here Guardian Sun, which is for the residential market. And then you can also see the combination of the acoustics, extra clear and ultra clear as well, with the normal float. And then we have the ClimaGuard series for the residential market as well as the normal extra clear in a monolithic option or a monolithic combination, same as the Clarity one. I will choose product from the super neutral category, which is a double silver coating. And then I will choose, I have here all the products starting from SN75. 75 means here the light transmission. And then if you have like SN7037, the first value represent the light transmission, the second value represents the G value. And if there is no name after it, if there is no ultra clear, it means the substrate is extra clear, and then it will be duplicated in all the product that we have. And also you have the access to the discontinued product, where you can see how it looks like, and then you can compare it with the current product. We have it in the series. We choose like SN70 certified here on in extra clear substrate. I can move and check the sky condition. I have clear sky, partial cloudy sky, and golden hazy sky, and overcast sky. Let's choose the clear sky. You can see on the left and on the right, different product and same product and then different sky condition. And then you can move this arrow to see all the right selection, and you can move to the right to see all the left selection. Okay, and then from this button, you can change the color of the spandrel in this area specifically to check if this color matching the vision area or not. Then this is 5 different color, start from bright white, cool gray, and then blue gray, then antithetic gray, and then black. If I change the color, then it will be more matched to the vision area. Then you can choose the color that is exactly matching with the vision area, okay? Then in the visualizing itself, I can copy the link of this product and share it with another teammate or another customer. I can reset the visualizer to back to the normal. I can change this view to be a closer view. I can also change the mode from the light to dark, and then I can also save the left selection as a PDF. If I go to change the view to be closer view, then you can see the transmission clearly here. Transmission and the reflection. Then if I move again to the wide view, I can see as well the color and the reflection as well. And then I can change to see with different sky condition. This is partially cloudy sky and then golden hazy sky. And you see the coating color behaves different if we change the sky condition. Even it is the same coating, but in different sky condition or lighting condition, the coating color you see, it's different. Then if I want to do a comparison between 2 different coating, then I have the option to change the left side as well. I will select Europe region, and then I can select from the triple silver coating another product. I have also the product series for the SNX or the triple silver coating product. I will choose SNX 70. This is SNX with 70 light transmission on extra clear substrate. And then I can choose the same sky condition to have the same comparison. Then you can see the difference. Also, I have the option to change the spandrel color in the left side as well. Then if I click to save the left selection as a PDF, automatically it will generate a PDF with my selection, where I can see it in a PDF file. Also, the same, it's integrated to our performance calculator, where you can integrate the visualizer image in the technical data sheet or the data sheet itself. Okay. Then you can see clearly the color if I change the sky condition. You can see the difference in the reflection or the reflected color and the transmitted color as well. Another tool, it's an interesting tool as well, where you can see from this glass visualizer to jump to the project, or we call it project locator, which is a Google Street Map where you can see the project that is done using specific coding from our series or from each region that we produce the glass in. If we select the Europe region and we have the same series of coating that we present in the visualizer, where you can select the coating and then the map will be changed as per your selection. If we click filter here, then we move for the project that have all the coating from this series. We see here 3 different color, which is the green one, it's street view available, where we have the image for the street view. And then the blue one, it's street view and available, there is no image. And then the yellow one, street view, it shows construction, the building is under construction. If we go to one of the green one, where you can see the coating that we select, it's SN7035, and then you can see the address of the project, and then you have a view street view. You can go to the Google map and you will have the image for the project itself. In this mode, you can move around the building, see the coating very close. You can do whatever you want with this. It's a real project with the coating. You can see the color for this project. And also you can share the link with the customer for this project that is already done using this coating in the same way as a visualizer. And then if you go to another project as well, it's another street view available where you can see also the color in reality in a real project. You can see even it's the same product, but the color is different because of the sky condition and the lighting condition outside. This means that if we have the same coating and we installed in a project and we install the same coating with the same combination in another project, they will not give the same color or the same reflection, even it is the same parameter, because of the outside condition, the lighting condition, the sky condition changing as well for each site. Okay, then you can do the same for all the product range we have. You can select the coating and then you go to filter and then filter the product as per your selection. You can see the number of the project as well found for this selection, and then you can select between them. You can also go to another category. You can select the coating, then apply the filter, and you will find 2 projects found for this selection. Okay. Another interesting tool where you can visualize, we have the BIM object where you can generate the BIM files for your combination and then combine these BIM files in Revit for render or whatever program you are using for rendering. And then we have another tool which is called Digital Glass Selector. It's also under the tools and resources, where you can filter and select based on the performance and the color of the glass. Let's wait until it's loading. This is how it looks like the tool. You have the option to select the region and even change the standard. It changes the measurement from metric to another unit. And then from here, you can select the type of glazing that you have in your project. Let's say I have a double glazing unit. what is the segment I looking for. It's commercial or residential or specialty. Here's mean anti-reflective, anti-condensation, and then I will choose commercial, and then you have the option to select also the substrate. We have different type of substrate: extra clear, ultra clear. Extra clear, which is the mid iron range, and then ultra clear, which is the low iron range. And then the low carbon product, we have Nexa 6 and Nexa 9. I will select the substrate to be extra clear, and then we have the option to select the appearance, whether it's neutral, blue, green, gold, gray. If I don't select, it will show all the category of the color. Let's don't select, and then I can select the range of the G value as per the project specification that I have. I will select this range, and then I can select also the light transmission as per the project specification that I have. I have also the option to select the reflection from outside. Let's select this range, and then I can select the U value as well. Range. Let's select this pose option for wider application. And you can filter and change the filter as per the need. Otherwise, if you remove it, it will show all the product that it's already having this performance. And from the table here, you can see the product that is proposed by the tool, and then you can download this brochure that will contain only this product, and then you show it to your customer with the performance of each one. And then you can see here all the parameter of the glass, like the light transmission, light reflection in, reflection out, color rendering, and the G value, the U value, all the parameter, as well as if you move here, you will see the spandrel color or the spandrel equivalent for each application. We have a monolithic glass. We have the spandrel option equivalent to SNX70, which is the SunGuard HD Light Blue 52, as well as you will have, if it is insulated glass unit, it should be the same glass. And then if it is, you choose here the color for the ceramic fret on the second pane of the IGU. And then you have here the color for this spandrel or ceramic fret color for each option that you select, which is really interesting that you also know that what you will use for the spandrel, either another coating or the same coating if it is an insulated glass unit, or you to select the ceramic printing on the second pane for this composition. Also, you have the option to hide some columns from this, to show and hide columns by clicking here and then deselect or select the option you want to see in the table, and then it will come with you when you download the file with the selection that you have. Also, you can get a link from these selections and share it with your customer as well, to share it with them to see the performance of the glass. And this combination of the selector based on a specific combination, you can see the combination for the double glaze from here, 616.4, and then the coating is placed on surface number 2 with the gap filled with argon. And then it's for all the selection that you have, because you select from the beginning here, it's double glazing, then it will show the option, all the option for double glaze. If you select triple, as well as it will see the option, but as you know, the U value will not be like that. I should change the range for the U value, and then I will see the combination of the triple IGU with the coating that matching the performance that I put it in the filter. Okay, it's an easy tool. You can access and find or written here the performance that you looking for, and then it will show you the coating matching with your data or your performance data. Another tool where you have it here in our tools, the window glass customizer. This tool, it's mainly for the residential market, where you can choose the window based on the project location and the climate condition that the project in. Then You have here different location in Europe where you can select. If you go to the UK or the East Europe, the Northeast Europe you have here, and then you have here Italy, then you have here Iberia market, and you have here, this is Turkey, and it is France and Germany. Let's say if I select project in UK and then select what is the climate condition for the project that I have, it is hot or moderate or cool, then you choose from them, then to go to the next page, and then here you define what is the window size you have. It is floor to ceiling window, or it's large window or small window. Then from the selection you choose, then which direction for your window facing. If this window facing north or east or south, you select, or it's facing all, you can select all as well. Then next you choose what you need from the glass as a performance. If you want to keep the inside cool, which is in the hot climate, you want to keep the inside cool, or to keep the inside warm, which is in the cold climate, you want to keep the inside warm, or if you want to save energy, if you want to improve the safety, and this will introduce a laminated composition, improve security as well, reduce the external noise, or minimize the reflection, and maximize the visible light transmission, and even reducing the condensation. And if you have like an area where the bird is concerned, we have a bird friendly solution as well. And then if you want to provide privacy from this selection, you can select all or whatever combination of selection you want. It will come together and then it will provide you a solution at the end. Then we go next. Then it presents you the package for the residential market, where you can see the configuration here, choosing the combination. It's SLAMI outside and monolithic inside, and then it's combined with the coating. It's called SunGuard Sun 35. Then it's adding a view post, which is reducing the light transmission, the light reflection, and then you have a Guardian Lamy acoustic, where you choose from the beginning to have acoustic performance, and then here it's described the recommendation and the benefits of each part of the composition that you have, like the coating and then the Lamy. Then you can download this as a PDF with the full proposal to these selections. Okay, this is also described the function that you selected from the beginning. Then also the data that you input. We choose elevation north, east, west, and south. And then you can also download it as a PDF. Okay. Then also, if I back to the glass visualizer, we have a bird-friendly solution were mainly produced in Europe and the US. You can see the bird-friendly option by checking this box, which is view bird-friendly option. We produce in Europe bird-first Lamy. We have two types, which is bird-first Lamy matte and bird-first Lamy double shiny. You can see this in the closer view option. If you select the Lamy option, this is on the left side. You can see the dots or squeeze for the bird-friendly solution. If you change this to double shiny, you will see that the dots become more shiny. And then we have this new bird-first UV, which is not visible by the human eye, but it's visible only by the bird eye. This is the pattern you see. This is non-directional pattern, but the bird will see it clearly, but you will not able to see in the reality. Okay, this is the solution we provide in Europe. We have different solution we provide in North America as well. If I change the region, we choose the coating. We have in the North America different coating. Then we select the product. Then I can see the option that is available in the US market, where the bird friendly, its main concern in the states where they have a specific solution for each state. You will have also the same solution that we present in Europe, which is Perl-Ferris UV. Then we have different solution with Perl-Ferris H, with different pattern and different direction for the pattern as well. If I select the Perl-Ferris H and the white solution, you can see the dots here. If I check another solution, the dots will change, as well as the fret solution as well, which is a ceramic fret on the surface too. You can change the coating to see the Perl-Ferris solution in different coating as well, how it looks like. Then you can see in this SNX 51 by 23, this is not visible as the SNX 70 plus on clear glass. Okay. Any question we have, Giovanni?
So far, no questions, Islam.
Okay. Then if there is no questions, this is the end of our session or our webinar. And I wish you all a very great day, and thank you all for attending.